Yeah, I have started the recording and welcome, guys. Today is the 14th, 2021, and we are at a Sunday call. And today's topic is fear. Somebody said, can we talk about fear? I said, why not? We can talk about anything. So I don't think here people have any fear issues, right? Anybody here has fear issues?
Yes, I have.
Oh, okay. So
Can
what
I
are
say? Can I say?
Yes, yes, go ahead. I'm waiting.
Um, I will not go in stories, but in short, I would like to say um, I got married according to my choice. I was knowing he drinks. So I was living in alcoholism for about 17 years. After that, coming to Alcoholics Anonymous and Al-Anon, he got sober. Now he is doing well. Now last 21 years he is sober. But fear is part and parcel of my life because of alcoholism. Hello.
Yes, yes, I'm hearing. And now you want
Uh-huh.
to blame, you want to blame somebody. You want to blame alcohol.
No, I don't. No, I don't want to blame. बट इतना डरी हुई रहती हूँ मैं सब कुछ होने के बावजूद. सब कुछ है भगवान का दिया हुआ. अच्छी तबीयत है, जॉब है, सिक्योरिटी है, लोग है, विश्वास है, लेकिन फिर भी इतना सह चुकी हूँ ना ट्रॉमा अल्कोहलिज्म का. बहुत सारी मॉडलिटीज ट्राई की. अभी इधर आई हूँ शायद इधर कुछ मिलेगा, लेकिन अभी भी मुझे ऐसा लगता है
अभी
ना.
तक कुछ मिला क्या? अभी तक कुछ मिला क्या?
हाँ, काफी लाइट फील कर रही हूँ. ज्यादा महीने नहीं हुए, 2-3 महीने हुए. और अभी जब मैं बार बार कहती हूँ ये 6 क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज इट, व्हाट कैन आई डू अबाउट इट, तो इतना अंदर ऐसा पेट में ऐसा होता है कि मैं कहीं वेस्ट तो कर नहीं रही ना टाइम, ये पूछ पूछ के. कोई बताने वाला है कि नहीं पता नहीं, लेकिन अगर वेस्ट किया तो गया हाथ से सब कुछ. क्या हाथ में लाना है मुझे पता नहीं, लेकिन मुझे बहुत डर लगता है, अभी भी लगता है. और सब पता है कि फियर ये इमोशन है, जैसी आती है वैसी चली जाती है. ये वर्कशॉप वगैरह भी किए हैं कि एक नेचुरल इमोशन है, अगर मैं उसके साथ खेलूं तो वो बढ़ जाती है, अगर मैं छोड़ दूं तो वो नहीं रहती. लेकिन
Thank you,
फिर भी
thank you,
ऐसा.
thank you,
या,
Manisha, for saying
थैंक
that.
यू.
अगर मैं उसके साथ खेल लूं, तो वो बढ़
हाँ.
जाए. Can you acknowledge that you are aware of it?
यस, आई एम अवेयर ऑफ इट.
So when you are aware of it, can somebody control you if you are aware of something? अगर आप अवेयर हो कि इस रोड पे जाऊंगी तो एक्सीडेंट होगा, तो क्या वो रोड और क्या वो एक्सीडेंट आपको कंट्रोल कर सकता है?
नहीं, मैं अवेयर हूँ तो नहीं कर सकता हूँ.
तो अवेयर रहने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा?
ये कॉन्शियस रहना जो अभी सीख रही हूँ. और
और
मुझे
कॉन्शियस
फाइनेंशियल
कॉन्शियस कैसे रहते हैं?
अभी प्रेजेंट में रह के, जब आगे का नहीं सोचना, पीछे की स्टोरीज में नहीं जाना.
तो आप
फियर
जब
ना, मैं बताना चाहूंगी कि मुझे फाइनेंशियल इनसिक्योरिटीज बहुत रहती है. क्यों रहती है
किसको
रियली पता नहीं है.
किसको नहीं रहती? ये दुनिया में आपने कोई देखा है बंदा जो कहता, हाय कविता, आपने कोई देखा है बंदा जो कहता हो कि मुझे तो कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है, मेरे पास तो बहुत पैसा है, मेरे तो बैंक भरा हुआ है, मेरे तो जो चाहती हूँ मिल जाता है, मैं तो जब आप मांगती हूँ मेरे सामने आ जाता है? आपने कभी सुना है किसी को कहते? एक्सेस में कई लोग कहेंगे, बट अदरवाइज आपने किसी को पहले एक्सेस में आते से पहले सुना था?
आ, नहीं, मेरे हस्बैंड को बिल्कुल नहीं रहता इसके
नहीं,
पास।
किसी को भी नहीं सुना आपने, किसी को भी नहीं सुना, क्योंकि यहाँ ये रियलिटी नहीं है और हम उसी रियलिटी में रहते थे। अब आप उस रियलिटी में नहीं रहना चाहते, दैट्स व्हाई यू आर हियर,
यस,
राइट।
वेरी
तो
ट्रू।
जो आप पहले थे वो काम नहीं किया,
हाँ,
इसलिए आपने ये चुना। तो क्या आप इतना सा भी अगर फर्क आपको दिखाई अपनी लाइफ में देता है, इतना सा भी, मिन्यूट सा भी, क्या आप उसके लिए शुक्रगुजार हो सकते हैं?
हाँ बिल्कुल, मैं तो इतनी ग्रेटफुल हूँ जिन्होंने मुझे यहाँ तक लाया, और आप
तो
सब
ये कहानी आप
सबकी।
पढ़नी बंद कर सकते हैं?
हाँ बिल्कुल की है।
पियर वाली कहानी आप पढ़नी बंद कर सकते हैं? क्या उसके साथ
हाँ
खेलना खेलना बंद कर सकते हैं?
हाँ बिल्कुल किया है, एकदम ऐसा क्या बोलते हैं, फियरलेस। एक एक मिनट के हिसाब से मैं खुद को बताती हूँ,
तो फिर
कोई डरने
आपने
की जरूरत नहीं है।
फिर आपने शुरू कैसे किया कि मैं फियरफुल हूं?
डर
देखो, हम ना इस कन्फ्लिक्चुअल रियलिटी में रहते हैं। हम
हाँ
अपने आप हम वहां गायब हैं, हम है ही नहीं। एक किसी ने बोला ना भी बोला, हम थोड़ा सा अपने स्टोरी में गए, उसने हमें जकड़ लिया। अब उसके साथ आपने खेलना शुरू कर दिया, आपकी जिंदगी गड़बड़ हो गई। अभी आप अवेयर हो गए, आपने कहा ये तो मैंने चुनना नहीं है, और आपने फियरलेस चुनना शुरू किया, और आपकी कहानी और आपकी जिंदगी बदल गई। एक एक मोमेंट करके आप चॉइस करते हैं, किसी वक्त भी चॉइस का साथ नहीं छोड़ सकते, और ये हमेशा रहेगा। आप एक्सेस में आ गए हो तो आपको कभी फियर जकड़ेगा नहीं, ये कभी नहीं कहेंगे हम। फियर आ जाएगा, क्योंकि फियर सब जगह है, और अगर आप उसको एनर्जी देंगे तो वो आ जाएगा। अगर आप उसके साथ खेलना शुरू करेंगे तो वो आ जाएगा। आपको अवेयर, कॉन्शियस और प्रेजेंट होना पड़ेगा टू मेक योर चॉइसेस। एवरी मोमेंट इज अ चॉइस। We are maintaining our past experiences every moment if we are not choosing different. वो तो है, आप क्या हो, अब आप क्या चुन रहे हो, आपने क्या चुनना है। अब वो इश्यू नहीं है। इश्यू क्या होता है? इश्यू होता है समथिंग दैट हैज बीन गिवन टू यू। अब आप ले लो और उसके साथ खेलो, तो खेलते रहो, कोई उसमें सच्चाई नहीं है। नॉट समथिंग दैट यू चोज, इट्स अ चॉइस। यू चूज इट और यू डोंट चूज इट। आर यू चूजिंग इट? इट्स अ डिस्ट्रैक्टर इम्प्लांट। जिंदगी चल रही है, बड़ी आराम से चल रही है, और कोई ऐसी चीज छोटी सी आपके साथ होती है और आप वापस डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो जाते हैं। So there are about 20-25 distractor implants. Anger, rage, fear, hate, blame, shame, regret, guilt, perverted, compulsive, something else, points of views, sex, jealousy, family, business. ये मैं लिख दूंगी ग्रुप में. So there are these lots of distractor implants. ये आपको अपनी जिंदगी से डिस्ट्रैक्ट करने लग जाते हैं. आप इनको बाय कर लो. आपने बहुत सुंदर तरीके से कहा. आई एम गोइंग टू यूज इट अगेन एंड अगेन. Hello. Net is a little. What's happening, Net? Can we have this class? Can we do 1, 2, 3, please? For my net. Hello. Hello, 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 hello. Can anybody hear me now? Am I back?
We can hear you now.
Oh, good. Thank you. Hi, Usha. Lovely to have you here. ये मेरी नेट थोड़ा सा कुछ कल से इशू कर रहा है. Can we give 1, 2, 3 for it, please? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, come on. Be friendly. Thank you. Yeah. So we were talking about that any issue that you have means that you have been given it, that has been given to you and you bought it, not something. It's a choice. You can choose it or not choose it, to play with it. Very beautifully Manisha said, जब मैं उसके साथ खेलने लग जाती हूँ तब वो बढ़ जाता है. तो जब आपको ये एक छोटी सी अवेयरनेस आ जाए कि जब मैं खेलने लगती हूँ तो ये बढ़ जाता है, you can change it. Stop playing with it. Stop playing with it means stop running it in your head. It takes over your whole life. That monkey mind, when you give so much of energy to it, it takes your whole life. Are you willing to give up you to the fear? That's a choice you have to make.
Kaval, your voice is cracking. Can you try to?
Can I try what? Gitu, can you help me? Can I try what? Hello.
Yes.
Can you help me? Can I try what? What happened? Hello, 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 hello. Can you help me with the internet? What were you saying, Gitu?
I was saying because there is, you said na internet issue. So you can try turning off your video so the bandwidth will be available and maybe the audio will work better.
Thank you. We can do that.
Yeah, let's try this.
Yeah, thanks.
You're welcome.
So, there are people who say we have no fear. Is there anybody here who says I have no fear? I was asked a question in the morning by Gitu. She said, how has your week been? And I said, good. Well, I know what I said. I said, amazing. I said, there are things that happen. I didn't go into details, but I said, I have the courage. I am different.
Yes.
I'm going to choose different. I am a controlling bitch. I don't allow any little thing, big thing to take me away from me. Are you all willing to do that? Sometimes it takes me maybe a few hours. Sometimes it does take me. I'm not saying that I immediately get out of it. Sometimes I forget. But I thank God, because I've been practicing, because I've been building my muscle, it is changing. It reminds me faster, because I've employed the whole universe. It tells me, hey, where are you going? What are you doing? Come on, out of it. Are you all willing to be different and to do whatever works for you, regardless of whether it's right or wrong, it's good or bad, or anybody's doing it with you, or anybody's following you, or anybody's making you wrong, whatever. Are you a leader? We are doing conscious leadership as a book. And are you a leader? If you are a leader, would you choose fear? It's a choice.
Kaval, I have one thing to ask here in my space. It's showing up. Most of us have this fear of unknown. Okay.
Okay.
So yeah, so when I say that fear of unknown, we are living a journey, right? Life is a journey, as we say, and
Yeah,
we are
everybody
living with
gets
each
what is unknown.
moment, every moment. Yeah. So then how, like, how can we come over, or I would say surpass that fear of unknown? If you can
If
say
you were
something.
an infinite being, if you knew you were an infinite being, if you knew you had infinite choices, if you knew that you could choose anything, and if you knew there was no right and wrong and good and bad and correct and incorrect or whatever, or positive or negative, would anything like that unknown be? Wouldn't you know everything by just tapping into your knowing? Just asking a silly, stupid question as, what is this? What can I do about this? Can I change it? Or if I can, then how? And would you get out of that unknown? Wouldn't you know it? You have lived 4 trillions of years. You've done and been everything on planet Earth. What a lie you're feeding yourself all the time. You love lies, fear, doubt.
No, not at all.
So,
So then again, as you said, build a muscle of, being every time being in that
नहीं यार, सिर्फ
present,
इतना
being
ही पता,
present in
बिल्ड और मसल भी कोई काम नहीं है, काम नहीं करना आपने। आपने सिर्फ अपने आप को हर बार कहना है कि मैं इन्फिनिट बीइंग हूँ, क्या मैं चुनूंगी ये? और अगर मैं इन्फिनिट बीइंग हूं तो मैं
and I
क्या चुनूं?
choose it.
बस सिंपल। कहानियां विच नहीं जाने की जरूरत। मैं करूंगी, मैं बिल्ड करूंगी, ये वाला बिल्ड करेगा कि नहीं करेगा, ये क्या? नो, लाइफ इज अ डिस्ट्रैक्टर इम्प्लांट। So what the fuck are you doing? Are you living the life, or the life is controlling you? You can't change things, you can't solve things because you buy into this reality. You have to get rid of all the distractor implants. Write them all down and put them on a paper and then stick them somewhere. And every time look at it: anger, rage, fury, hate, addictive, blame, shame, regret, guilt, addictive, compulsive, obsessive, perverted points of views, love, sex, jealousy, peace, life, death, living reality. All these are distractor implants. Fear, doubt, business, relationship. Everywhere you go into them, you have fucked yourself up. You start playing with it. An infinite being would choose those for what reason? And everywhere you go into your logical mind to understand this, your logical mind can only take you in circles. If this, then this, if this not, then that not, it's not, it's not the, it's not the magic that you are. You get distracted by these things and you think, if I just handle this, then everything will be okay.
Yes, exactly. Exactly, you hit the chord.
Except it's really not what's going on. It's really not a problem. It's really not a cause. If it is not a cause, can you solve it? You can't. Which is why all these things take you away from actually being, knowing, perceiving, and receiving. The value of holding on to these distracted implants is everything you've chosen to try and make you human. You are a humanoid. Don't forget that. When you don't function from distracted implants, it's very hard to keep family together. Very hard to keep people around you. They might just go away. They might leave you. ਇਹਨੂੰ ਤੇ ਕੁਝ ਫਰਕ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਪੈਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ sensitive ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਤੇ what the fuck
ਇਹਨੂੰ ਤੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਚੀਜ਼ ਦੀ ਪਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ, that's what you have.
ਪਿਆ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ. And whenever you are around these people, what do you need to do? Ask a question and park and pod.
Okay.
So
Okay,
ask,
Kanwal,
yes,
can I ask?
yes,
Yeah,
sure,
so,
sure. Go ahead.
yeah, just now you said about fear, anger, rage, that all that about the distractor implant.
Yeah.
Now, I have that fear thing. It
Hmm.
is, I
Acha,
say,
1 minute, 1 minute. You said that and you laughed.
yeah,
So is that true that you have the fear thing? Then you should be very serious. You can't laugh. You have fear and you laugh. How dare you?
no, no, I mean to say like this.
Where have you got that lie and you're making it real by telling everybody here?
You know,
Okay,
two nights I
go
have
ahead.
not been, 2 nights I have not been sleeping because I have to go back to my workplace, and then they told me you have to do the test of antigen test, and then that is bothering me that hopefully everything goes well, negative, so that I can go back to my workplace. So that is bothering me. 2 nights I cannot sleep. Okay, I'm not fear. I'm not having fear. I'm calm. I'm relaxed. To that extent, I want to sleep in the afternoon, just cool down, regain my energy. But that is not helping me also. So it's an anxiety. That
So
fear
what
is
what question did you ask?
who does this belong to, and what energy, space, consciousness, choice, magic, miracle, mysteries that to have ease with my body and my mind. I just asked that.
Okay, and you didn't get it.
No, still now, till now.
So this drama is running the show.
Yeah, how to click that one?
So everywhere you locked them up in your life, in your reality, it might not be from this lifetime, it might be from any lifetime that you have, they're so entrained and ingrained in your being that it is not. So what choices have you been making? By making it wrong that, oh, I can't sleep, oh, I can sleep now in the afternoon, no, I haven't slept in the morning, oh, what's going on. You keep asking questions, but parallelly the mind is playing with that. So you are simultaneously doing two things. You are being putting 2 feet in different boats. Are you going to swim across comfortably? Will that help?
No,
So the things they say, which the things that are unresolved are usually distracted implants. So Uh, what question? What actually we give more, it's equal importance. I feel it's an equal importance for you to be asking a question and choosing to act. So what have you
In this choosing to act means what?
act means like, okay, this some story going on in my head, ऐसे होगा तो ऐसे होगा तो ऐसे होगा तो ऐसे होगा, and I keep rattling questions. What do you think you are required to do in that moment? Do nothing. Just what are you waiting for? By asking question, what are you waiting for? Something to just go away? Like it's saying, if I ask the sun to go away, of course it will go away sometimes. Sometimes the rain to go away and rain to come. That does happen. How does that happen when you have no point of view? How do things get created when you ask a question, have no point of view? But when there are a million points of views and you keep asking the question without taking a step forward, without taking an action, okay, this is required. Let me go and get my test done. Okay, let's see. Let's start with it. Let's see what will happen. Taking an action, sitting there and just with the stories, sitting in corner and fearful and doing nothing is not going to change. Questions along with choice. What choices do I have here? Is it light for me to go and get my whatever that test you were about to go? Oh, it's light, or it's not light. So what is keeping me from it to be light? Whose point of views have I bought? Can I send them back? Okay, is getting lighter. So what more questions do I need to ask? What will happen? What will the worst thing happen if I get my injection? Okay, that doesn't seem very heavy. That seems lighter, is getting lighter. How does it get any better than this? What else is possible? Now what can I do? What action can I do? We can't just, 4 questions we have, we can't just keep rattling those questions in one half of our head and the other half is still having those points of view, and there is no action. Is there somebody needs to mute themselves, darlings? Please, will you mute yourself, whoever? I can hear somebody. Kavita, please, can you mute yourself? Please be careful to mute yourself when the call is going on, because that disturbs the... So, Usha, I'm going to ask you a question that Gary asks always. He says, are you as great as I think you are? Are you a gift on the planet?
Yes.
So if you were a gift on the planet, what would you be? Why haven't you changed the world as yet? Move your ass. Show up. Get to work. How are you a gift? Am I a gift when I'm in fear? Am I a gift when I'm changing reality? Am I a gift when I'm choosing different? I am a gift when I'm recognizing I am a different entity. If you are in access, you're not allowed to have a problem. You're not allowed to have an issue. You have no problems. You're perfect. If you're an infinite being, could you have any problem? So everywhere you're buying these things, fear or anything else, you are just inviting it. You're just starting to play with it. Like we started the class with Manisha saying, when I start playing with it, it expands. And when I stop it, it goes away. Be aware when you're playing with these distraction plants and distracting yourself from living. You're not ordinary, girl. And you're not even extraordinary. You're phenomenal. Extraordinary is little more than ordinary.
Thank you, Kanwar. You know, this, it was, my brain, it was heavy, like here it is spinning, tuk. But after you ask that question, and it's a little bit, wow, like release. Thank you. Love you.
We also use anger as a force to make us do what we don't want to do. Anger and fear control us. So you want to be in control, or you want these distraction plants to control you? Ask, is this a distractor implant? Oh my God, bye, out. I'm getting distracted from living. Living is happiness, joy, exuberance, wealth, being in the moment, kicking it up. Am I doing that? No. Then what is holding me? Distracted plant? Bye. We create everything. Everything is created by us. What's going in your head and what's coming out of your mouth. You are the creator of everything. If it's a mess, you're the one who's created it. Sorry. Have you done a good job of creating a mess? How about doing a good job of creating something beautiful, something powerful, something creative, something phenomenal? Wonderful. It takes more power to create your life as a disaster than it does to create it magnificent. Create it as magnificent. Because magnificent is easy. ये जो बैठ के सिर में दर्द हो रहा है, यहाँ दर्द हो रहा है, कोई कहानी चल रही है, नींद नहीं आ रही है, सारा दिन मैं बैठी हुई हूँ उसी चीज में 2 दिन हो गए. My God, it's so much of hard work. Just get moving, get ready, go and have fun. So, नींद आती रहेगी जब आनी होगी. It's not real. You make it real when you start playing with it. Thank you, Usha. Anybody else has any question?
Yes, Kaval, I have a question.
Yes, go ahead.
Just wait. Today's class is really helpful. Actually, everything is going around in my head also. Lots of responsibilities, emotions, drama. और कभी-कभी तो ऐसे हो रहा है कि even I started crying कि कैसे होगा, क्या होगा without father-in-law, how I'll be able to handle. I know everything will sort it out, but अचानक से ही नहीं fear आ जाता है and then I'll start crying.
Can I ask you a question? What was your father-in-law? What were you doing? What was your father-in-law was doing? What that you have to do now? What was your father-in-law doing that you have to do now?
Like waking up early, taking care of my mother-in-law, grandmother-in-law, and sit with them.
You used to get up and take care of your mother-in-law and grandmother-in-law?
Yes, yes.
How?
Like my room is upstairs and उनका room नीचे है, तो सुबह जल्दी उठ के पूरे घर के खोलना, दरवाजे खोलना, then कोई भी आता है उसको देखना. So there is lots of things that
नहीं, वो पहले नहीं करती थी तू?
Ma'am, पहले no, my father-in-law was there, so why I'll do it?
No, but वो जो बाहर से कोई आता था वो दरवाजा खोलते थे.
Like what I'm saying, if like it's
I'm
Sunday
not
today.
getting it. Can you make it clear, please?
Yeah. I'll make it clear. जैसे गाड़ी धोने वाला है, माली है, जो भी है, उनको हैंडल करना. तो while I'll get into all this, जब वो हैं
Oh,
तो.
why will you get it into all this now? Your father-in-law is doing it. Won't somebody? There's no man in the house.
Yeah, there is. My husband is there, but still he needs my support too, no?
Oh, what kind of sport?
Like if he's not waking up, I have to wake up early, then sit downstairs.
So
And
what
all
is
these
waking up
things.
early so difficult?
You're not getting me. I'll message you. I'll
No,
message.
we make everything so big. I'm getting the energy that you have made everything so big when it isn't.
Okay.
If in every moment you were in question, you are young, there is nothing that you cannot do. And everywhere you are picking up every responsibility to yourself, is that working for you? Will that work for you in long run? Are you
No.
just doing what you're supposed to do, or are you in question?
I'm confused, Kaval. I'm confused. In every
Confusion is
moment.
very good. Confusion is very good because that means you can wait, and that means you can wait to have full information about it. Stop taking charge. There are people there who will take charge if you will not. And if you will take charge, then you will be stuck.
Okay.
Wait for what you're asked to do it.
Okay. हाँ.
Ask a question.
I'm in a mess, Kaval. I'm in a mess.
Okay,
मुझे
you
समझ
can.
नहीं आ रहा है.
You can. Are you willing to get out of the mess?
Yes, obviously.
Then ask a
I want to.
question. In every now moment, what is this? What can I do about this? Can I change it? How can I change it? So am I required to do this? Is it my work? Light and heavy, follow that.
Okay.
Don't become your father-in-law.
I don't want it to be, really.
Then don't. You don't please people. They never get pleased.
No, I'm not pleasing anyone, but
So you ask yourself.
Hmm.
The energy that I'm getting is that you are taking on the responsibility of everything. That working for you.
No, I don't want to take. But just because of my husband, I'm forced. Like I'm forced to do a third baby child, boy. Oh my God.
So where are you in this equation? Where are you in this equation?
I know when जब तक मुझे नहीं चाहिए नहीं होगा, but still there
What
are so
is
many
but
people.
still?
Force.
There is no force and nobody can force you. You're an infinite being. And please be in question.
Okay.
You have to be in question 24/7. What will work for everybody, not only for you. What will work for everybody.
Okay.
And everybody will do what their bit is. You don't take it. If you don't become the chaudhry.
Okay. कोई बात नहीं.
I can't help you unless I know what it is. I can just keep rattling things, but that might not be where you are functioning from. Just you have to ask me a question for me to guide, or for me to get the energy of where you're coming from.
Can I say something?
Yes, Manisha, go ahead.
आपका
And
वीडियो
then I'll
बंद
say
है,
something. Huh?
आपका
Yes.
वीडियो नहीं चालू, तो मैं आपको देख नहीं पा रही।
मेरा वीडियो इसलिए नहीं चालू क्योंकि किसी ने बोला कि वो जा रहा है ना, ये इंटरनेट बार बार जा रहा है, कुड बी बिकॉज ऑफ दैट।
ओके
तो इसलिए मैंने आज बंद किया।
ओके।
और उसके बाद नहीं गया, सो दैट वर्कड।
Kaval, can I say something here?
Yes, please go ahead.
Good morning.
Good morning.
So, Kaval, listening to this, I was in the same situation, say 25 years ago. I had a father-in-law, I had a grandmother-in-law, I had a widowed sister-in-law who lived with me with both her little younger children. I had my other two sisters-in-law, and so on and so forth. We were, like I had mentioned once, really, we were 17 members living in a 3-bedroom house, okay? And I took the responsibility of everything. But I was creating that life for me. I had to cook for my father-in-law, look after my widowed. हमने lipstick नहीं लगाई कितने साल. We didn't go out because we had to please her and everything, so on. So it's a long story, but not getting into the story. Until at that time I was not in Access, but until I realized that I was choosing it in my own way, because the knowing is always there, right? मेरे को realize किया ये तो मैं खुद choose कर रही हूँ. मेरे को नहाने का भी मिलता नहीं था, एक दिन पूरा दिन ऐसे गुजर जाता था, because my husband used to be away in Bombay, so I had no assistance otherwise. And I felt helpless, I felt victimized, I felt, oh my God, I've got so much work to do, isko bhi dekhna, usko bhi dekhna. I was always in that flurry, always in that frustration, until the knowing came that I have chosen it. And when I sat with myself deeply, I got to know I was choosing this. A part of it, I was choosing because I wanted to get the label of a good daughter-in-law, good sister-in-law, good chachi, good buddy mummy, good whatever, good wife, good everything, you know. And then one day I decided, I said, where am I in the picture? And I just took out all those labels. वो सारे labels निकाल दिया. There was so much judgment thrust on me that you're bad, you're not doing things. Yeah. But what I did in that bargain is I empowered them to do their work. All the time I was doing their work. Okay. All the time I was doing that. But because I empowered myself to withdraw, they got empowered to do their work. So I thought if this could contribute, you know, and of course today, though, you don't have to take the responsibility of anything except yourself. And that also, just have fun with yourself. God has given you a lifetime partner of the body and the infinite being, yaar. Tum dono enjoy karo, ringa roses karo, do everything, you know, and it's so great. The only responsibility you have is to look after yourself, to be yourself, to love yourself, to do whatever you want with yourself, but to have fun in the bargain. Like I mentioned, I don't even take the responsibility of my husband. And by not taking his responsibility, I've empowered him. He makes chai for me. He can even cook his own breakfast, everything. Why are we responsible for anything and anybody? Is the question you have to ask yourself. So that was my thing.
Thank you so much. And responsibility, the meaning is the ability to respond. So in every situation, how are you responding? Are you taking on? Are you not liking it? Are you hating people for giving you water? All those are your way of controlling, I would say, or your way of looking at things, I would say. What if you asked a question and you got clarity in every now moment? Now what? Now what? You see something happening in front of you and you ask yourself, is that what I would like to do now and in the future? If it's light, go ahead. Nothing wrong, nothing right. If it feels heavy, then ask another question. Okay, it will be okay if I just sit down and do nothing. light. Oh my God, fine. Let somebody come and tell you कि ये अच्छा मेरे को कह रहे हो आप करने के लिए. Okay, you can get up and do it at that time, but don't take the responsibility of doing it always. So there is nothing that I can tell you. You know the best. You know the situation. You can handle it only if you are aware, conscious, and present and asking questions. Not what this reality is saying. अब तो वो चले गए, अब तो तू बड़ी बहू है, अब तो तू नहीं सारा कुछ सामने. I mean, you want to be in that reality, then you're at a wrong place, my. If you don't have fear, then
No, I don't want to be that place, bade bahu and all, please. That's why I'm asking na ki kaisa. And thank you, Neera and Kaval. It helped me a lot.
yeah. So
Yeah, I'm
just be in
listening, but not
question.
responding.
24/7,
Yes.
just be in question.
Yes, right.
If you don't have fear, you can have the greatest family and friends in the world. And still be okay with you being alone. That is actually the awareness of being that you truly be, the embodied being that you truly be. Don't just follow your knowing. Don't have to follow what people say. Whenever anger or fear comes up, hate comes up. So what makes these distracted implants so attractive to us? Because we've just seen them. Everybody doing it like that's the right thing to do. There isn't anything we haven't done, been, had, or created. You are all those things. You've been a mother-in-law, you've been a father-in-law, you've been controlling freak, you've done it all. If you want to function from your awareness, just ask a question. Now what? What else is possible here that I haven't even considered? Fear is just a distractor. It's a lie.
Kaval, may I ask one thing?
Please go ahead.
Okay, let me lower the hand. All right. For me, I would say, as being in access, uh, let me put it across like this. You asked me in the beginning of the call, how was the week? I said it's been roller coaster, but I'm surviving, right? So I've been overloaded with work as an in-house course, which is okay. I'm not getting into the story. And I guess I created that there's a tissue rupture that has happened in this arm, and I was wearing a bandage when the call started. I just took it off. So thing is, I'm getting lots and lots of pain in my right, around that injury. And from past 15 days, I've been like working a lot. And I know this happened because maybe my hand needs rest, the right hand. I am managing. So I'm like, what will it take for me to be
So
one
minute.
with
Can
my
I
body?
stop you? Did this happen after you did work, or did it happen before you did work?
While I was doing all this. So I was working,
So
working,
while you were
working,
doing
working.
all this work, what was going in your head?
I was managing, and what the
Managing
awareness
is a
that
different thing. Managing, were you managing or were you having fun?
for almost 10-12 days I was having fun and enjoying it.
And then you
And
thought, oh
from
my
last
God,
3
what the
days,
fuck?
I was feeling overworked, and
And
what
then
started
your
happening
body
is
heard you and you created
okay,
this rupture.
okay,
You are a
okay,
potent
okay,
being.
okay. And now I'm like in so much pain. Like today also, I
So
I don't want to cry right now on the call, but मुझे अभी भी इतना
I don't want
दर्द
to go
है.
into the story. One minute. First acknowledge you created it.
Okay.
Did you not say okay just because Kamal
I
said?
acknowledge that I created this
Because
injury.
you were working so much and you thought, oh my God, I know what to do, and your body hears, and body says, ma'am, here I am. Now you lie down in bed. And now you're cribbing again.
नहीं लेकिन कौन करेगा ना, कोई और है ही नहीं अभी.
Hey, that doesn't need to be required to be done. Fuck it. Who's important, the work or you?
Right now my right hand, because I have to do everything with these magical hands.
You asked for rest, my dear.
Okay. And I told you I can't sit at one place. I am choosing to now.
So can you enjoy that?
Okay, and then I'm asking this question from the universe: what will it, what will it take for someone to show up who can contribute and who can help? How can I be like a princess? And I am doing all that I choose to do, and I know my responsibilities and all, and I do it very lightly. It's like too much on my plate right now. And I was getting so much heaviness when Harshita was
Throw the
talking.
plate away too with that heaviness. And now you've got an excuse. Lie down.
Okay.
Now again you're cribbing and you will create something else that you will not like.
No, no, I don't want to crib. No, I love to laugh and smile. You know me.
Your body has a natural desire to be aware and to give you information. उसका प्राइमरी टारगेट तुम्हारी बॉडी का यही है, टू सर्व यू, टू लुक आफ्टर यू.
Hmm.
Everything that comes out of your mouth and everything that goes in your head gets created.
Okay. Okay.
So when you are working and when you're getting into that energy of, oh, itna काम, ये मैं तो फंस गई, ये, check yourself. Okay, what else is possible? How does it get any better than this? What's required now? What can I do now to have fun body? Then your body will do things that you will have fun with.
Yeah.
Every time you're going into any of these distracting plants, anger, fear, rage, fury, hate, blame, shame, whatever those are, all those, your body says, ma'am, boss, whatever you say. So would you be very careful? Would you be present, aware, and conscious as to what you're saying? And acknowledge that I am such a potent being that I can create anything. I've created this. Now what else? Body, now what else can we create to have ease?
Yes. And I'm like, ho gaya na. So this is there. I acknowledge and I like
Thank you
move
very
on.
much. Thank you very much for looking at me. But this is not what I wanted. Can we change that?
Okay. Okay.
Could an infinite being not choose a different reality in every now moment?
Yes. And there is nothing that stops us, right?
Yeah, so just put your hand there and run. Cellular memory point of creation. Turn on and run. In 5-10 minutes, your hand, the pain would be off. Then don't get to work. Then ask another question.
I hear you. Thank you so much, darling. Thank you.
Everywhere that we rather be struggle and drudgery and pain and suffering rather than being a princess, would you be willing to destroy another? Have people working for you. Okay, do this. Okay, do that.
वो हमको रहता है ना, जब तक मैं नहीं करूंगी तो वो परफेक्शन नहीं
बस
आएगा. सो आई
ठीक
रिमेंबर
है
यू
ना,
गाइडिंग कि
फिर ठीक है, कर
परफेक्शनिस्ट
लो
नहीं
ना.
बनो.
फिर क्यों क्रिप करते हो? फिर क्रिप क्यों करते हो?
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Okay, guys, it's getting time. Any other question before we wrap up? And have you realized the fear of thing might be the creation of it? Guys,
Yep.
anything you fear, you create.
Yes.
What would it take for new and different to show up? You are the new and you are the different. Choose. We all create from, I love you too, Gitu. We all create from our judgments, our fear, and fear is a judgment. You can't have fear. You don't have fear. You have to judge to create fear. ये इंजेक्शन लगवाऊंगी तो क्या क्या होएगा? You are making judgments about that. And fear has to come. If you don't judge, you don't create fear. So what is All Access about? To get you to a point where you have the ability to request each and every molecule on the planet, to employ each and every molecule on the planet, to assist you, to have your back, to create magic in your life, to give you everything that you desire. But you don't want it that easy, right? It can't be that easy. So what does it take to create your own reality? Choice. Every moment you just choose. What would I like to have? In this respect, in that respect, in that area, in this area. Okay, I'll have that, and this. When you go for a party or when you go to a buffet, you have a buffet laid out. Do you eat all the things? Maybe not. But you can. Today you can have these things. What is your body asking for? Jump for that. What would I like to have today? It's like that. Buffet is laid out. There's a wonder, magical world, phenomenal creation of God, he, she, it, higher power, universe, whoever you want to call, has created this beautiful universe. You have embodied to enjoy this. Start enjoying, guys. Start to create your own reality and a whole new universe will show up for you. One that you have never thought ever existed. And having your own reality is not about having a big bank balance or having lots of money to spend and big houses and things like that. It's about being the energy that you want to be in every now moment. Expanding your life. Soaring higher and higher. Not enough to get by. Why wouldn't you want abundance? Why wouldn't you want so much that you can't spend it all? You can't have it all. You just have this and there's something else showing up. But we get so much bogged down by what's going on around us that we stop seeing that there is magic around. Now could you get the energy of Harshita? She feels she's in a mess. Tathastu. You are in a mess. I am the creator. I know how to change this. Now tell me how. Now tell me how to change this right away, right now. What energy, space, consciousness, choice, magic, miracle, mystery, possibility can I be that will allow me to have fun in all of this? Start having fun. Don't go on automatic pilot. Everybody wants to be same as them. And you feel real and same as them when you are so much wanting to fit into their reality. You will never be able to fit guy, girl. You are here. How can you fit? We won't let you. You are a perfect.
Thank you.
You are a perfect being. Never want to be go for perfection. Don't go for perfection. I am the perfect daughter-in-law, the perfect wife, the perfect mother. You'll never be. However perfect you are, there is no perfection. There is no limit to perfection. There's no ceiling to perfection in this reality. You give 100%, people will want 200% of you. Are you willing to give it? Is that
Well, there
creating,
is so much
is that
heaviness
creating your
around right
reality?
now. Can we just crack it?
So much heavy? What's heavy? These you
I don't
feel that
know.
your body is telling you all this is not real? What is Kamal blabbering?
अरे this is nice, but अभी जितनी सारी discussion ना सबको लग रहा है we are overloaded. Let's
So
just
you're
take that weight
fried.
away. Let's lower
So
our
you're
barriers.
fried. That means we should be saying bye-bye.
No, 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 no.
No, I
Not
will
at
never ever say
all.
that. We
You
can
are
listen to
fried.
you the whole day, darling.
You are fried. You go out in the world and you see how people are living and you are
Interesting point
different.
of
You have
view.
to judge you.
Interesting point of view. कर लो तुसी भी लेग पुलिंग कर लो तुसी क्यों छड्डोगे मैनू
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल तेरी तो अब तथास्तु है जिंदगी ऐसी है कि जो भी तेरी जिंदगी में आएगा वो तेरी पर लेग ही पुल करेगा If that's your point of view, you will
मैंने
find people doing that in
मैंने अब लंबा नहीं होना मैंने अब लंबा नहीं होना पतला जरूर होना है लंबा नहीं होना
okay. So start to create an awareness, the energy of what you would like your life to look like. Shop for it. When you're going around during the day and you like something, you say, oh my God, I'd like to have that. Put it in your basket. Then you go somewhere, not, oh, mere paas nahi hai, uske paas kyun hai, start judging. No. Can I duplicate that energy? Can I have that? Look at something else and say, oh my God, can I have that? Shop that, buy it, put it into your basket. Just by your acknowledging that and asking for that, the universe will create it for you. We don't create our life, we inherit it. Creating your reality is like, I like to have that. I like to duplicate that energy. That's so much fun. Can I have that?
Kanwal, can I ask one more thing?
Yes, please go ahead. It's time.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Yeah.
I'll put the recording off and
Okay, so on that day, I was talking to one person, and then he said that to have abundance, you have to be mingling with the rich people. Then I say, oh, like that, yeah. You know, so in my mind, it is, like, oh, you want to have abundance of ease with everything, you have to mingle with the rich people. That it was his point of view. Then I say interesting point of view in my heart, but I did not say it out. So in my mind is that to have abundance and to have ease with everything, we have to, that was already a judgment that I did, that we have to have some amount money to be at ease and to mingle with rich people.
so what I am getting is if you think that rich people are not good, if you have a point of view that they do wrong things, they do evil things, then will you have money? Will you be rich? Because you have already separated yourself from the rich people. So what I get when that person said was having no point of view about, I had that point of view. I never made rich friends, though I could have had all the rich people in the world because I was from that strata. My in-laws and my parents were big people. But I had this point of view that rich money, because I'd seen it. My father was a freedom fighter and he never made any money. He was a minister for umpteenth years. And we wouldn't even have a Diwali ka dabba, mithai ka dabba in our house. You can't think of a politician being like that, right, today? So we always were brought up by money is not a right thing. So I had that point of view about money is not a right thing. And all the big people who used to be in our houses, like in and out, I could have had friends with them and I could be, but I had this point of view that they are not nice. Rich people, big people are not nice. So I was always having less money. I grew up with my father having less money. We were always, I never got any pocket money. तेरे को किसके लिए चाहिए? जो चाहिए हमसे मांग लो. We were not allowed to go in official cars. स्कूल तक हम साइकिल में जाते थे, ऑफिशियल कार में बैठ के नहीं जाते थे. ये गाड़ी तुम्हारे लिए नहीं है. So if I have that point of view, will I ever be rich? I wasn't. I was always hand to mouth. Only when I started doing these modalities, especially Access, that I started seeing that how much I had separated myself, killed the life that I could have had by my points of view. You don't have to move around with rich people, but you don't have a point of view of not moving around with them. You move around with anybody and everybody. So what I get he was saying was that you have a point of view of not moving around with rich people, then you can't be rich.
No, his point of view is if you mingle with the average people, they will come to you only to borrow money and then the money is lost. I mean, they
That
will
is
not
another
return you
interesting
back
point
the
of view
money.
you have. That is another interesting point of view we've been taught to have in this reality.
Oh.
When you realize that you would like to live like a princess and what you would like to have in your life, your income starts to adjust to make those things possible. And we think we have to get the financial reality first. No, you have to get what you really would be if you were living it. I had to start to live like a princess for the universe to see that she requires all this to live the way she wants to live.
So,
You have
Kanwar,
a
what
point,
you're
you have a
saying,
point of view of no money, ना कोई होएगा, इसको budgeting करो, इसको यहाँ करो, यहाँ नहीं कर सकते, इसको खाने पे नहीं बुला सकते, इसके घर खाने को नहीं जा सकते, क्योंकि फिर इसको बुलाना पड़ेगा. And you have all those points of view. I had all those points of view where money is not going to come. Money comes to play. Are you playing? You have defined what your financial reality needs to be for you. Tathastu. You keep thinking your financial reality is having a certain amount of money in the bank. No, Your financial reality is created from what you are willing to live like and as.
Kaval,
Yes.
Kaval,
Awesome,
Kaval,
awesome,
I
Kamal.
love
Thank you.
your Tatha
Awesome.
Astu. That's a sheer veggie to break all the point of views and melt everything.
But
It is so much fun. Tatha Astu to all of it, whatever point of views we have.
yeah,
Wow.
tathastu.
Yeah. Yeah. It's
So, Kamal, I was saying when you said you have to be the, you have to be it to see it is,
Yeah,
I
yeah,
remember,
yeah,
I read
yeah.
it. So you have to, so you were being the princess,
Yeah.
and now finally you're living like one. So why, when you can do it, we can also do it. That's what's
No,
coming
no,
to
no,
me.
you can't do it. Only I can. You start
Come on.
from where you are today. How do you start? Oh, I don't have the money. What are you talking about? How can I start? Buy something that you can afford that gives you a sense of joy, not from its right or wrong or good or bad. You are telling the universe that you want to live joyfully. When you pick up something that's a joy for you, we want to change our financial reality. But we are not doing it from the basis of how do I want to live. We are doing it from the basis of I've got to get more money. I don't have money. How can I buy that? Look at the energy of that and look at the energy of I go and have Golgappas just for the fun of it. How many times you even allow yourself to have Golgappas? Stand on the roadside and have Golgappas because that's a joy for you. Yeah, you are in access.
I
थोड़ा
do
थोड़ा
at
थोड़ा थोड़ा
times.
तो थोड़ा थोड़ा तो ठीक हो रहा है.
Cover about that Tathastu. Ritu just said, my God, वो story है ना, when he prays to Lord Shiva, it's just a story, and he says, okay, I'll grant everything that you want. So he says, okay, I want a house, bada house, cars, everything, gold, silver. जो वो बोलता तथास्तु तथास्तु तथास्तु. Then suddenly that man said, oh my God, इतना बड़ा घर, चोर तो नहीं अंदर घुस आएंगे? तो चोर आ गए अंदर. He said, oh God, मेरा सोना और चांदी तो नहीं लूट के ले जाएंगे? लूट के ले गए. He says, oh my God, अगर एक तिनका किसी ने जला दिया तो मेरा घर तो जल जाएगा. जल गया. He says, oh my God, मेरे पास तो कुछ भी नहीं रहेगा. कुछ भी नहीं रहा. Everything is tathastu. We don't
Yeah,
realize.
thank you for saying that story. Thank you.
Yeah.
It relates so much to fear. You
Yes.
judge first, and you get fear.
Yeah. 80,000 thoughts approximately scientists ने बोला हमारे दिमाग में आते हैं जब हम in the daytime. I'm not talking about the night dreams and everything. Imagine 80,000 thoughts में अगर तुम 10 बार ही बोल रहे हो कि all of life comes to ease, or what is this, what can I do about it, can I change it? So 4 questions 2-3 बार पूछ लिया. But what about the rest of the 79,000 or whatever plus thoughts that is running in your heads? All of fear.
Yeah.
ये हो गया तो क्या, वो हो गया तो क्या. We have to become aware of each and every thought of ours, because that is exactly what we are living from.
Exactly. You said it. That is exactly what's going to show up. You have to judge for
Yes.
the fear to work.
Yes.
Thank you so much. So Nera, can I ask one more? Like, if we are at the workplace, at our workplace, okay? So we have asked all these 4 questions, right? What is this? What can I do with it? And all that. Then at times, kabhi ye mind is empty, hollow and empty. So to come back to that track of asking question, it takes time. How
Okay,
to
okay,
make
1 minute. When the mind is empty, what does that mean? You're making that wrong?
not making it wrong. I mean to say,
What if that is what you want? And you got it. Why do you want to change it?
So be in a question, I mean 24/7 to be in a question, and then at times the mind is
Now you're making that to be in question work. You already are in question when there's nothing going on in your head, darling. Enjoy that moment. You're wanting the monkey mind to stop. You're wanting peace of mind. Now you've got it. Now you're inviting. अब वो thought आ जाए. What for? What for? What would I like to live with? What would I like? What would make my life joyful? What would I like to have in my life that will make my life joyful? Start looking at those things. And when you get them, be grateful. Gratitude is the key. Start looking at those things which you would like to have in your life and ask for them. Steal their great ideas. And once you start to experience what it's like to have a life and life that you really want to have, your body will tell you, your reality will tell you, your every moment will tell you, say, oh my God, can I have more of that, please? Now you're going to vibrate all that. And now that vibration is going to invite more energy of the same kind in your life. And invites you to a different reality. Which is what you've been asking for. A different possibility of who you are. You put on your fine jewelry, you travel first class, you have a sheet which you just get into the bed is a comfortable and a sheet you have, and you're grateful for every now moment. Universe says this woman wants to live like a princess. Let me give more of it. You go to the shop and there are these sheets, and your hand always goes to the best. And so, oh my God, this is the one which one. Have you noticed when you really are in you will tell yourself, मेरा तो हर बार हाथ expensive अच्छी चीज पे ही जाता है. And then you cut that and you make that wrong, and then you go and buy something that is on discount. I'm not saying it's wrong. You're telling the universe, मैंने तो तुम्हें बड़ा अच्छी चीज दिखाई थी, पर तुम तो bargain पे ही जाना चाहती हो, तो bye. I will show you only bargains. I won't show you good stuff. I won't give you the money for good stuff. Then you start making your reality from there. When you say, oh my God, that I'm going to have that, universe. If you don't have the money at that moment, universe, can I have that money now, please? I'm going to have that. अब घर आते हो, अगले दिन कोई आपको वही चादर गिफ्ट कर देता है. Has anything like this happened to you people? Or it only happens in my world?
Yes, every moment.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So who's creating your reality? You. Who's creating my reality? Me. In 2000, I didn't have 100 rupee note. I say this again and again. I didn't have 100 rupee note to put petrol in my tutti hui Fiat to go to an Al-Anon meeting. If I was living in the same place with the same thought process, with the same thinking, I would still be there. So you can change it too. Like Gitu said, if Kamal can, I can. Are you willing to create your reality? Or just by asking questions, sitting in corner and doing no action? Usha said, what is the action you do? This is the action you do. You start living like a queen, like a princess, not like a queen.
Ask and you shall receive is the law.
Only ask and you shall receive doesn't really work unless you move your ass too. You have to move your ass too. Ask and move your ass. Not really move your ass in a moment way, but in an action way.
I don't know from where I got when you were saying move your ask. I was hearing move your ASS.
I
Sorry,
said,
I just said it.
I said move your ass. You heard it correct.
Yeah, she said that. She meant that.
I meant that. I said that.
Yeah, she said.
You're not willing to hear, darling. Gary says, Gary ki pata nahi kaun. Gary ne ki Dane ne, I don't know. They said we used to go to, I think Dane, grandparents' house, and Gary used to say I used to go my aunt's house. Yeah. He used to say I used to go to my aunt's house because they lived so well. And when I was going to their house and was looking at the things and I was shopping my energy, buying into, I like to have that. I like to have that when I was small. And look where he is now. He chose to create his reality based on someone who had more money than his family. When you go to some place and you look at some things and you say, oh, I can't have this, I don't have the money, tathastu. He said, I started creating money that would allow me to create those things in my life. So if you want to create more money, start looking around and going, do I really love all the things I am living with? Go to each room, open each drawer. Everything that's lying there, it doesn't give you the joy, throw it. Dump it, flush it, give it to somebody. Do they fit what I would like to create as my reality? Would I like to have these things in my house? If not, get rid of them. Give them away, sell them, move them on. Ask them to move on. Okay, who would you like to go to? And you will get the picture and then you can give it to them. Open the space for what you would like to create as your reality to show up. And the same thing applies to your mental state. If you want to create a different reality, then you have to clean out the old garbage. He says, everything I've ever wanted, everything I ever asked for has shown up in my life. And that stuck to me. Every time I remember, I say that everything I've ever wanted and everything I've ever asked for to show up in my life. And I see it showing up in my life in ways I can never ever imagine possible. Now, what else can I have? Only way you can fail is if you judge. You judge the things you have, judge the things you are not creating. So judgment never works, darlings. Rather than allow the universe to present you with the possibilities to create the life that you're asking to create. Are you willing to create it? Are you willing to have it? Ask. Be the demanding person. I was going to say something else. I've got to get this. I demand of me and the request of the universe. This is changing right now. Change, 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 change. Guys, it's 9:30.
It's awesome. What else is possible?
So now you know none of us is pride.
Thank you so much. Fear has
Change,
gone.
change,
Thank you
change.
so much, Kaval.
Thank you,
Here they
guys.
Guess what, guys? मेरा pain कम हो गया है. My pain is already started
I
reducing.
told
Thank you
ya,
so
I
much,
told
everyone.
ya. हमारे साथ दोस्ती करोगे तो खुश रहोगे.
Thank you, ma'am, for
और
so much
क्या
of
चाहिए?
Bye.
और क्या चाहिए?
बताओ, बताओ और क्या चाहिए?
और
Thank you,
क्या
Kaval.
चाहिए?
Take it,
Thank
take it,
you,
take it.
Kaval. Bye-bye. Thanks.
Love you guys. Love you guys so much. A tight hug to each one of you.
Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
ma'am. We love
Bye.
you so much. Thank you, ma'am.
Is it-
Thank you. Thank you. Bye. Love you all.
Bye.